Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to another video where we'll be looking at some index laws and their applications. So here we've got this question and it says 125 to the power of x is equal to 25 to the power of x plus 5. When I first saw this question, I thought, what? So the first thing we want to recognize is that 125 is equal to 5 cubed and 25 is equal to 5 squared. Some might be like, yeah, okay, and well, I'm getting there. Rather than writing 125 to the power of x, I'm actually going to write 5 cubed to the power of x. And rather than writing 25 to the power of x plus 5, I'm going to put 5 squared to the power of x plus 5. Okay, now I can apply my index laws. 3 times x gives me 5 to the power of 3x. There we go. When I do 3 times x. And then 2 times x plus 5, I have 5 there, and then to the power of 2x plus 10. Now I've got 5 to the power of something equals 5 to the power of something else, so I can say that those two indices are equal to each other. Taking away 2x from both sides leaves me with x is equal to 10. That is our final answer. Interestingly, this question says, given that 125 to the power of x equals 25 to the power of x plus 5. They haven't actually asked us to do anything, but let's just say that we're solving the questions. I know. It's a little bit like, what? But that's what we're trying to do. Right, with this one, we recognize, well, we can do this one of two ways. We can say that because this is already a 4, we can say that 16 is equal to 4 squared. So rather than writing 16, we can put 4 squared to the power of x, and then that's equal to 4 to the power of 10 minus x. Using my index law of multiplication, I have 4 to the power of 2x is equal to 4 to the power of 10 minus x. So then the powers are going to be the same because I've got 4 to the power of something equals 4 to the power of something else. So it gives me 2x equals 10 minus x. Adding x to both sides gives me 3x is equal to 10. And then x is equal to 10 over 3. So x equals 10 over 3. Next question, find the value of y. So again, same kind of thing, but this time we can say that everything is a power of 2. So notice that 4 is equal to 2 squared and that 16 is equal to 2 to the power of 4. So I have 2 to the power of y multiplied by, instead of having 4 to the power of y plus 3, I have 2 squared to the power of y plus 3. And that's equal to not 16, but 2 to the power of 4. So now I can start applying some index laws. I have 2 to the power of y multiplied by, here I have 2 to the power of, 2 times y is 2y, 2 times 3 is 6. And that is equal to 2 to the power of 4. And then I can combine these with the addition law of the indices. So 2 to the power of y plus 2y plus 6 is 3y plus 6. And that's equal to 2 to the power of 4. Again, I can say that 3y at this stage plus 6 is equal to 4. Taking away 6 from both sides, I get that 3y is equal to minus 2. And then y is equal to minus 2 over 3. So there we go. And then our next question is this one. 16 to the power of 2x plus 3 over 4 to the power of x is equal to 32. So we can realize that, again, everything can be written as powers of 2. We have that 4 is equal to 2 squared. We have that 16 is equal to 2 to the power of 4. And we have that 32 is equal to 2 to the power of 5. So rather than writing 16 to the power of 2x plus 3, I can put 2 to the power of 4 raised to the power of 2x plus 3, all divided by, rather than putting 4 to the power of x, I can put 2 squared to the power of x. And rather than putting 32, I can put 2 to the power of 5. Okay, now I can simplify the top, and that becomes 2 to the power of, and then that becomes 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times 3 is 12, so 8x plus 12. And at the bottom, I've got 2 to the power of 2x. 2 times x is 2x. And that equals 2 to the power of 5. Now that I'm dividing, I can apply my subtraction rule. Let me just write in a different color, just so that I don't confuse. So I have 2 to the power of 6x plus 12, because 8x plus 12 take away 2x is 6x plus 12. And that is equal to 2 to the power of 5. Now I can do my same thing. 2 to the power of something equals 2 to the power of something else. So I have 6x plus 12 is equal to 5. Taking away 12 from both sides, I get 6x is equal to minus 7. And then, oh dear. And then I have the x is equal to minus 7 over 6. There we go. That is it for this video, guys. I will see you in the next one. Take care.